Hello, boys and girls. I'm so happy to be with you. This week, we are going to talk about actions. Say hello. Say hello. Smile. Smile. Shake hands. Shake hands. High five. High five. I'm Sarah. I'm Sarah. Let's practice. Listen and point to the correct picture. Say hello. Say hello. Which is the correct picture? Great. Excellent. Say hello. Smile. Smile. Which is the correct picture? Wonderful. Smile. Shake hands. Shake hands. Which is the correct picture? Great. Shake hands. High five. High five. Which is the correct picture? Great. High five. I'm Sarah. I'm Sarah. Which is the correct picture? Great. I'm Sarah. Great job. Bye-bye.